adjective clauses. We may call it adjectival clauses. So we can say that adjective clause is a clause that acts like an adjective inside a sentence. Let's see a few examples. There is the mountain that we are going to climb today. There is the mountain. You can see that over here mountain is noun, and that we are going to climb today. So he is saying that there is the mountain. Which mountain? So this particular part is a clause that we are going to climb today. It has got a subject and a verb. That's why it qualifies the definition of a clause. So this clause qualifies or describes a noun. That's why it is an adjective clause. We may call it adjectival clause. So in short, we can say that a clause that functions or plays the role of a noun, of an adjective, that qualifies a noun is actually is adjectival clause. Let's see another example. My blue tennis shoes. So over here you can see my blue tennis shoes, which used to be my mom's, were under the bed. So actually, so shoes are being qualified. Over here shoes is a noun. So what sort of shoes? Blue tennis shoes. So this my blue tennis shoes are being qualified by a clause, that is which used to be my mom's, or under the bed. So this is actually adjective clause. Just like this. Let's take another example. John, who was late again today, sits next to me in classroom. So over here the noun or the name John, that is being qualified or described by a clause, who was late again today. So any clause that describes a noun is adjectival clause because it functions like an adjective inside a sentence. That's why we call it adjectival clause. So in all three examples, you can see that noun mountain, shoes, and John, these three nouns are being described or qualified by clauses which are actually playing the role of adjective. That's why we call them adjectival clauses. So normally adjectival clauses are in first example, that is being used in order to connect two clauses. In second one, which is there. In third one, who is there. So the words like who, whose, which, or that, these sort of words are used in order to connect two different clauses inside a sentence. Once we use adjectival clause, we use that, which, who, whose, etc., etc.